How to log out Snapchat account from all other devices. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your Snapchat account. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar. Click on it. With that you will land to the profile page. Now go ahead and click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. With that you will land to the settings page. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Under my account you will find the option of two-factor authentication. Click on this option. Now you have to enable two-factor authentication. When logging in, you'll need to provide an extra login code after your password. Your login code will be sent via SMS or can be generated in an app. Once you enter your login code, we will know it's really you. Click on Continue. Do you want to enable two-factor authentication? Click on Let's do it. Now select the option whether you want to choose SMS or authentication app. Now over here type in your phone number and go through the process. After you enable it, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you will see the option of forget devices. Click on it. Now in this page you will be able to find all the devices in which your Snapchat account is currently logged in. If you find any suspicious device, click on this cross icon given at the right corner of each device. Are you sure you want to forget this device? Click on yes. Do the same for all the available devices. With that, you will be logged out from all the devices. Well, this is how you can easily log out Snapchat account from all other devices. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.